happy and excited to use this. This is not ramen, this is soba noodle. Alright, let's eat. So good. Hi guys, welcome back to my another vlog. I hope you are doing well. If you don't know who I am, my name is Mochinsky. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. So today, I'm going to show you what I bought recently. It's already November. In Japan, it's getting colder, so which means it's good season for hiking. I bought some items for hiking, so let me show you some items. Let's go. Number one, I bought this one. The hiking shoes. The brand name is the famous The North Face. I'm very happy and very excited to use this. It cost me 20,000 Japanese yen, which is very expensive for me. But anyway, I'm so excited to use this one for next time. Also, let me show you the previous my shoes. This is previous shoes. It's already old. I don't know when I bought this one, but I know I used this one many times. Time to change new shoes. I'm so happy and excited to use this. So this winter I try to go for hiking many times so I can take vlogs. Then I upload, so please watch if you like. Next, I bought this one. The gas burner. I'm also excited to have this. You know, when I go for hiking, I see some people using gas burner and they are cooking, eating and drinking coffee, and then I was like, oh, I want to buy also gas burner. That's why this time I bought this one. This one, it cost me like 4,000 because this one is second hand from online shopping. It's not brand new, but it's okay for me because I just want to try to use this one. This morning I just went to convenience store to buy this one. Donbe. This is instant Japanese noodle. This is not ramen, this is soba noodle. Now I'm going to eat this one. Let's see how long does it take to boil water. Oh, it works. So this is the first time to use this gas burner. Actually, I was very worried that it works or not because this one is second hand. Actually, I haven't eaten anything since I woke up. I'm very hungry right now. I can't wait to eat my fast food for today. Okay, let's wait. Look at this. It works. Alright, let's eat. Itadakimasu. Okay, I finished eating the noodles. From now on, it's time to coffee. So good. Very nice. Alright, that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you like it. I also have Instagram, TikTok and Twitter. I really appreciate if you follow them. Okay, finally I got the gas burner hiking shoes. So excited to use them. Alright, that's the end of my video. Thank you for watching until the end. I see you next my video. Bye.